Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So I want to unlock J5 Prime FRP via UMT Ultimate Multi-Tool Samsung because Samsung have great update right now and you can unlock FRP without any file. You can unlock via code. So open your UMT Multi-Tool Samsung 0.4 version and go on FR Tools tab. Under Tools tab, you will get a FRP bypass and click here on Enable ADV mode and click on bypass. First, first you have need to connect on emergency call like your main screen of FRP. Now I am connecting my phone. Now it's connected. You will get a sound. It's showing J5 Prime also. Now click bypass. After clicking bypass, first you have check the bottom port. If you don't have USB driver, you need first to update your driver on your system. So now I have already installed the Samsung USB driver on my PC. After checking the driver, it will checking normal mode and showing here on phone. Click on emergency call and enter star hash 0 star hash and click OK. Now I'm going emergency call. On emergency call, type your star hash 0 star hash. You will get a new screen on your phone and click here on your screen on UMT. It is now enabling your ADV mode. So allow the ADV mode if asking on your screen, phone screen, authorize ADV connection phone screen and click OK. After enabling ODB, your FRP definitely gone. And now it's done. You can check on my screen root status. Now it's resetting FRP lock and it is processing. Now it's done. You can check FRP lock done. You can back like this one and your FRP automatically gone. So this is a way, this is a fantastic way you can unlock your FRP of any Samsung via Samsung tool. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe if you're new and please like our video if you get new notification on our website. Thank you very much for watching.